Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to withdraw money from Kraken. I've been using Kraken for a while now, and I've been really happy with it. It's a great exchange for trading cryptocurrencies, and it's very easy to use. However, one thing that I've always wondered is how long it takes to withdraw money from Kraken. So, I decided to do some research and find out the answer. And I'm happy to share my findings with you today. What is Kraken? Before we get into the details of how long it takes to withdraw money from Kraken, let's first talk about what Kraken is. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Kraken is a very secure exchange, and it has a good reputation for customer service. It's also a great place to trade cryptocurrencies if you're looking for a wide variety of options. How to withdraw money from Kraken. Now that we know what Kraken is, let's talk about how to withdraw money from it. The process of withdrawing money from Kraken is very simple. Here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter your withdrawal address. Click on Withdraw. Once you have submitted your withdrawal request, it will be processed by Kraken. The processing time will vary depending on the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing and the withdrawal method you are using. How long does it take to withdraw money from Kraken? Now that we know the steps involved in withdrawing money from Kraken, let's talk about how long it takes. The amount of time it takes to withdraw money from Kraken varies depending on a number of factors, including the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing, the withdrawal method you are using, the current network load. In general, it takes 1 to 3 business days for Kraken to process your withdrawal request. However, it can take longer if the network is congested. Here is a table that shows the average withdrawal times for different cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency. Withdrawal time. Bitcoin. 1 to 3 business days. Ethereum. 1 to 3 business days. Litecoin. 1 to 3 business days. Bitcoin Cash. 1 to 3 business days. XRP. 1 to 3 business days. Withdrawal method. Withdrawal time. Bank transfer. 1 to 5 business days. Wire transfer. 1 to 5 business days. SEPA transfer. 1 to 3 business days. Credit card. 1 to 3 business days. Debit card. 1 to 3 business days. Network load. Withdrawal time. Low. 1 to 3 business days. Medium. 3 to 5 business days. High. 5+ business days. Export to sheets. As you can see from the table, the withdrawal time can vary depending on a number of factors. However, in most cases, it should take no more than 5 business days for your money to be withdrawn from Kraken. Tips for withdrawing money from Kraken. Here are a few tips for withdrawing money from Kraken. Use a withdrawal method that is supported by your bank. This will help to avoid any delays in processing your withdrawal. Make sure that your withdrawal address is correct. This will help to ensure that your money is sent to the correct account. Be patient. It can take some time for your withdrawal to be processed, especially if the network is congested. Withdrawing money from Kraken is a simple process that usually takes 1 to 3 business days. However, the withdrawal time can vary depending on a number of factors, including the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing, the withdrawal method you are using, and the current network load. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about how long it takes to withdraw money from Kraken. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. See you next time.